Our food sector customers range from global multinational companies to small and medium-sized family-owned businesses. No matter the size of the customer, they all require high-quality codes on their products, the reliability of the components that we supply, and a service that they can depend on. This enables their own customers to have confidence in the quality and freshness of the products that they consume. Maximising productivity is vital for food producers, not only being able to keep up with the speed of the production line, but also minimising any scheduled or unscheduled downtime. They manufacture in tough environments where dust, moisture and extreme temperatures mean that they need the toughest and most reliable equipment. And regulations in the food industry are becoming ever more stringent, with allergens, food contact inks and product traceability becoming common themes. Domino responds to the trust placed in us by food producers all over the world with constant innovation that adds value to your coding operations. That's now and that's in the future.